I just want to be the happiest version of myself. Stay aware your presence is valued. Just because something has not arrived yet does not mean it's not coming. One day the word soon will be replaced by the word finally. Become a ghost, forget attention, just grow in private. No matter how good or bad your life is, wake up each morning and be thankful that you still have one. Silent battles are the hardest battles. Relationships should not affect your mental health. Trust yourself, you have survived a lot and you will survive whatever is coming. Relationship should not affect your mental health.